Hello, compounding is a powerful financial concept that allows your money to grow exponentially. It works by reinvesting the earnings generated by an initial investment, which then generates more earnings and so on. For example, let's say you invest rupees 1000 in a savings account with an annual interest rate of 5%. At the end of the first year, you will receive rupees 50 as interest. If you leave that rupees 50 in the account and continue to earn 5% interest annually, your money will continue to compound and grow over a period of time. Over a period of several years or decades, the effect of compounding can be significant. This is why it's important to start investing early and allow your money to grow over time. However, it is important to note that compounding can work against you as well, such as with high interest debt like credit card.